Today we are going to discuss some examples on assignment model by some special cases. Okay, so first case is if a given problem is maximized type. If a given problem is maximized type, then how to solve the given problem by using Hungarian method. In maximized type is maximization type problem. If given, then it convert to minimization by subtracting all the elements in the matrix in largest value. Select any largest value in given assignment model. Okay, and subtract all elements from this element. Okay, then we get a reduced matrix is obtained minimized type. Okay, and then solve this matrix by using usual method, Hungarian method. Okay, so here maximization type problem is here example first, second, third and fourth. And here A, B, C, D. Okay, so here 8, then 26, then 17 and 11. Then next is 13, then 28, then 4, then 26. Okay, then next is 38, 19, 18 and 15. And last row elements are 19, 26, 24 and 10. Okay, so this problem is a maximized type. Suppose that this problem is a maximization problem, and to find the solution of find optimal solution. Okay, find optimal solution by using Hungarian method. Okay, so firstly convert. So here convert given problem to minimize type. Convert the given maximization problem to minimization by subtracting all elements by subtracting. Here maximization condition is how to convert the given assignment problem to minimize. How to convert? If by subtracting all the elements in the matrix in largest value. Okay, so here by subtracting all the elements in the matrix or in the given problem in the matrix in largest value. Okay, here largest value is, therefore here largest value. What is here largest value? Largest value in given matrix is here 38. Okay, so here 38 is the largest value, therefore subtract all elements. Here largest value is 38, therefore subtract all elements in 38. Okay, so therefore reduced matrix is here first, second, third and fourth. Here A, B, C, D. Okay, in this way. So 38 minus 8. Here subtract all elements from 38. Therefore 38 minus 8, remaining only 30. Then 38 minus 16. 38 minus 16. 38 minus 38 minus 26. 38 minus 26, remaining 12. Okay, then 38 minus 17. So remaining is 21. Okay, 21. Then 38 minus 11. 38 minus 11 remaining 27. Then 13 minus 38. This 38 minus 30. 38 minus 13 remaining only 25. Then 38 minus 28 remaining 10. Then 4 minus 38 minus 4. 38 minus 4 remaining 34. Then 26. 38 minus 26 remaining 12. Okay, 38 minus 38 0. Then 19 minus 38 19. 18 minus 38 20. 15 minus 38 23, then 90 minus 38, 19, then 26. Here 26 minus, sorry, 38 minus 26, 12, then 24, 38 minus 24, 38 minus 24, remaining 14, and here 28. So this is our minimization type problem. Okay, minimization problem, and then we solve this by using Hungarian method. Okay, Hungarian method. Your regular method, Hungarian method, we have to solve the given problem. Okay, so firstly in this table we have to solving by using Hungarian method. Here select the smallest element in given matrix and subtract it, select the smallest element in given each row and subtract it from every element. Here select smallest element in each row and subtract it from every element of corresponding row. Okay, corresponding row. So therefore reduced matrix is here first, second, third and fourth. Here take their values. Here in first row 12 is the smallest element, subtract it, 30 minus 12, remaining only 18, then 0, then 9, then 15, then here in second row 10 is the smallest element, so subtract from each element. Therefore 25 minus 10, 15, 10 minus 10, 0, 34 minus 24, and remaining here 2. Okay, again select third row, 0 is the smallest element, so this row as it is, and lastly 12 is the smallest element, subtract it from every element. So therefore 90 minus 12 is 7, 12 minus 10, 0, 14 minus 12, 14 minus 12 is 2, and last is 16. Okay, then next step is a select smallest element in each column, and subtract it from every element of corresponding. Select the smallest element in each column and subtract it from every element of corresponding column. Okay, so therefore next table is here. Therefore next table is here. Next table. Therefore reduced table is. Reduced table is here in first column. In first column smallest element is 0, so this column written as it is, because in every element subtracting from 0, those elements are taking as it is. Okay, 18 minus 0 18, 15 minus 0 15, 0 minus 0 0, and 7 minus 0 is 7. Similarly second column is also smallest element 0, therefore 0. Then third column 2 is the smallest element, subtract from each element. So therefore 9 minus 2 7, 24 minus 2 is 22, then 18, then 0, and last one is 2 is the smallest element in fourth column, subtract it from every element, 13 0, then 21 and 14. Okay, so in this way, then now we have to take a assignment. Okay, how to take an assignment? Assign the rows top to bottom. If select a row which contains exactly 1 0, assign that by making square around it given 0. Okay, and other elements take a cross of sign. So here first row. Okay, so first row taking exactly 1 0, so their 0 make a assign, and other respective column or corresponding column all other 0 make a cross up sign in this way. Okay, then next row is contains 2 0, this 2 0 contains, so delete this. Then third row which contains exactly 1 0, so make a cross up sign, and other 0 in respective column make a cross up sign. So here is no 0 present, so therefore neglect this. Then next we have to next process select a column. Here first select a row which contains exactly 1 0, which contains exactly 0 1 0, make a square, and all other 0 and all other zeros in respective or corresponding column make a cross up sign, okay, cross up sign. Okay, in this way. Then this is first step. Then next step is a select a row. Then select a column. Okay, then select a column which contains exactly 1 0, and make a square by around it, make a square around it, and make a square around it, and all other zeros in respective rows and all other zeros in respective rows make a cross out. Okay, cross out. So here in first column exactly 1 0, so this 0 is already assigned. Okay, which contains exactly 1 0 without assignment. Okay, so here without assignment. Okay, so in this table there is no 1 0, so in this table exactly 1 0 respective row make a cross up sign. Again here in this fourth column again 1 0, and therefore here number of assignment equal to number of rows, and therefore we get an optimal solution. Therefore optimal solution is obtained, and so their optimal solution, therefore their assignments are for A row second, for B fourth, then C has first, and D has third, with cost. Their cost, take their actual cost in how to take actual cost take in given first problem maximization. In maximization problem take actual cost. Okay, not minimization. Take actual cost in maximization problem given. So their values are, so A has first second, there 26. Okay, here 26, then 38, then last one 26, and this is a 24. Okay, so 50 100 and 114. Okay, so their value is 50, then 50 100 168 180 14. Okay, 114. This is our solution of given problem. Okay, in this way solve the given problem by minimization. Okay, next example. Similarly we solve this example. Here 42 35, 28, 28, then 21, then 30, 30, 25, 20 and 15, then here, then here 30, 25, 20 and 15. So here two rows are here same given. Then next is 45, next is 24, then 20, 16 and 12. Okay, in this way these are given problem, and so solve this given problem by using this. This is a maximization type problem, maximization. Okay, and solve this by using convert it into minimization. How to convert? Select the largest element and subtract all elements from here. Largest element is 42 is largest element. Okay, 42 is largest element, so subtract all elements from 42. Okay, so therefore reducible is here. Suppose I am drawing here. Solve this in homework. Okay, so here 0, then 7, then 14, then 21. Okay, then 12, then 17, then 22, then 27, then 30 minus 42, 12. Okay, so this table is written as it is, and last table is 6, 8, 18. Okay, so here 18, then 22, then 22. Okay, then 26, and lastly is 30. Okay, and solve this problem by using regular method, Hungarian method. Okay, in this way this is a problem of maximization type.